Hello, hello. Good evening, Dankwa. Okay. Hmm?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dankwa. Welcome again to our class. So it's nice to see you again. How are you today, Dankwa? Are you good?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, so are you ready for our today's lesson? Are you
and
ready?
yes,
Okay, so for our lesson for today, so we will talk about, so can you read this one? The
the aquarium.
Okay, very good. So one more time. Let's say aquarium.
The aquarium
Very good. So for our lesson for today, so we will talk about the aquarium. So these are the animals that we can see at the aquarium. So when we say aquarium, so it is a big container that holds water or other things. So some places have an aquarium for us to see a lot of fishes.
is
So it's
this
yes. So what do you know what animal is this? This big animal?
big fish.
What animal is that? That is a whale.
Well, well,
Yes, very good. So this is a whale. So this is what we can see at the aquarium. Okay, so let's find out those what we can see at the aquarium. So now, but first, let us watch a warm up video. Okay, let me just hear. Okay, can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
mm, well,
Can you
teacher,
hear?
teachers, research.
Can you hear the sound?
Well,
Okay, let's watch.
What you got too, Carter?
So we have plant-like plankton and animal-like plankton. So
fish, well,
Okay, so let's stop the video in that one. So for that video, Dankwa. So these are the animals that we can see at the aquarium. So in the video, we can see, so that is an example of the aquarium. So it is one of the places, this one of the places that has a lot of sea
and
animals. Yes. So have you seen an aquarium before?
is one. Other place has a lot of sea animals.
Very good. So have you seen an aquarium before, Dankwa? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. And what did you see? What sea animals did you see? Did you see sharks?
No.
No. How about whale? Did
You
you
are
see a whale? A whale? This one, a whale. So this is a whale. So have you seen a whale at the aquarium before? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. How is it? Is the whale so big? Very big?
Very big. Mm,
Yes. Is it very big? The whale?
yes. The whale
Yes.
is the big.
The whale is very big. Very good. So now let us find out those animals. So let's go to our next page. Okay, so let us analyze what are the animals doing in the pictures. So these are our words. So let's read our first word.
Believe.
Okay, good job. Now let's say glide.
The life.
Very good. Our second word is
Lives.
flip. How about our third word?
For us.
Float. One more time. Let's say float.
For lose.
Very good. Next,
Chance.
tank. Very good. Next one,
Active.
otter. Very good. Next,
Active. Larry fish.
jellyfish. Okay, so now let's go to our pictures. What do you think the dog is doing?
The dog is for leaves.
Very good. The dog is flipping. How about this sea lions? What are they doing? They are, what
They
are this?
are chance.
Are you sure? So let's see what are they doing. Let's see in the picture. So as you can see, the sea lions are floating. They are float. Okay, so we will find out what is the meaning of this word after this slide. Okay, but first, what is or what animal is in the picture?
Larry fish.
Jellyfish. Very good. So this is a jellyfish. Next, what is this animal doing?
Active.
What
Get
is it doing? It is
release.
glide. So this animal is gliding. Next, what do you call this container?
Chance.
Tank. Very good. So this is a tank. How about this animal? What is this animal?
Active.
Otter, very good. So now let us find out more about these words and what are or what do they mean. So let's go to our next page. Okay, so let's read first this one. Fish.
Fish the wind into chance.
Okay, very good. So now let's look at the picture. So our word here is tank. Let's say
Tank.
tank. Very good. So for this one, can you read this one, Langkwa?
A tank is a big container that holds water or other things. We often use a chance to keep fish or turtle at home. It is like a little house for animals that lives in water.
Okay, very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say live.
Live.
Okay, very good. So when we say tank, tankwa, so a tank is a big container. So it holds water or other things, especially fish. So some fishes that a tank is their habitat or their house. especially in the aquarium. So this is a tank. Okay, so now let's look at the fish. Do you know the name of this fish, Dankwa?
Fish.
Yes, do you know what is the name of this fish? Do you know the movie Finding Nemo?
Không mà có biết cái phim gì không? Đúng là cái phim con tặng như bố đó. Có biết
Do,
cái
do you know Finding Nemo?
fish name.
Yes, so this is the fish that is in the movie Finding Nemo. So we call this fish as, let's say, clownfish.
It is name.
Yes, it is
Hello.
Nemo, and we call it as clownfish.
Brown fish.
Very good. So let's look at this fish. So these are clownfish. We call them as clownfish. Okay. So next, let's go to our next question. So do they live in the sea or in the river? What do you think? Do clownfish live in the sea or in the river?
Is our first animal that lives in water.
Yes. Where do they live? Do they live in the sea or in the river? Sea or river?
Rivers.
Are you sure?
I know. See.
It is in the sea. So most clownfish, so most of the fish that we call clownfish, we can see them at the sea because so clownfish are ocean fish. So most of them we can see them at the sea.
Us. Just
Yes. Yes. So for this one, in the movie Finding Nemo, so it as we can see Nemo, so Nemo lives in the sea. So it is the same as the clownfish. Okay. So they live they live in the sea. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's read this one. Race.
Grace at la Gillis lie to into stand.
Very good. Okay, let's read this word again. Let's say glide.
Glide.
Very good. So when we say glide, adagua. So let's read this one. Glide.
Glide. Mean to most smoothie and quick to almost like things.
Okay, very good. Now let's read these words again. Let's say smoothly. Smoothly. Let's say
Smoothie.
ly.
Smoothly.
Quietly.
Quietly.
Very good. Next is sliding.
Sliding.
Okay, very good. So when we say glide, so it is like sliding. So the this animal which is race, so these are race. So this is a kind of sea animals that we can also see at the aquarium. So they glide. When we say glide, so they are like this. So they glide in the aquarium. So they slide, and they swim.
Jellyfish.
Yes,
Jellyfish.
jellyfish, very good. So next, let's read this one. What are rays? So when we say rays, they are
Fish. They are like fish that fly into water.
very good. So rays like this one, so they are like birds in the water because they fly. So they glide in the water. They are like a bird that lives in the water. So they also have there's this one flappers. We say this body part of them we call them as flippers. So it is like a wings in the bird. But in this one, for the sea animals, so they have flippers, which helps them swim in the water, or like they are flying in the water or gliding. When we say gliding, so it is like sliding or flying in the water. Okay, let's have this question. So let's read these questions, Dangwa.
Are
Are rays dangerous? Are rays dangerous? Let's read. Are rays dangerous? So do you think, Dangwa, are rays dangerous? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, very good. Because they have so this one. Okay, let's go back. Okay. So let's look at their tail. So this race, so they have a tail. So this tail is so sharp. So if we go near them, so we might get hurt because it is sharp when we touch
But
them. Yes.
that task can cause it ritual.
Yes, very good. So it can hurt us if we touch them. So that is race. So they are dangerous. So we should not touch them because they might be scared and they might hurt us with their tail or sharp tail. Okay? So next, let's go to our next page. So let's read this one.
How
Oh,
to turn is to change.
very good. Let's read this one. Otters.
Bottles.
Very good. So now teacher has a question. So do otters have ears? Yes or no? Do they have ears?
Small.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So yes. Yes, they have ears, but they have small ears. So good job, Langwa. So they have small ears. And yes, they have ears. So good job. Next, let's read this one. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish flies in the sky.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this word. Let's say float.
Floats.
Very good. So this animal, what animals are this, Dangwa?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Very good. So let's focus in this word. So when we say float, so can you read this one? Float.
Floats. Floats mean to stay on top of weight or water or air without sinking.
Okay, very good. So when we say float, it means staying on the top of the water. So like this jellyfish. So they do not drown in the sea. So they can float. So this is the style of their swimming. So they float in the sea. Okay, so next. Okay, so for this one, Dangwa, have you seen jellyfish in the real life? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And when is that? When do you see or when did you see? When did you saw a jellyfish? Or
It's a small.
where
It
did where did you saw a jellyfish, Dangwa?
when
Did you saw a jellyfish in an aquarium or at the sea? Where did you saw? Where did you saw a jellyfish? Did you saw it in an aquarium or in the sea?
You
In the sea. Okay, so very good. So most of the jellyfish, so we can see them at the sea. So because it is their natural habitat. But for this one, so we can also see them at the aquariums because most of the aquariums has jellyfish. Okay, so next, let's read this one. Turtles.
turtle is in these tanks.
Very good. So the turtles are in this tank. So when we say tank, so it is a big container that has a lot of fishes and it has water. So this turtle, so as we look in the picture, so they are eating in the tank. So most people that visit the aquarium, so they gave foods to the animals or sea animals in the aquarium. So next, do you know? So for this one, Dankwa, do you know what food do the turtles eat?
Turtle is salads.
What do they eat? What do they eat?
Turtle is salad.
Salad. Very good. So for this one, this is one of the things that they eat. This is a lettuce. A
Fish
lettuce.
people.
Yes. So let's read this one. These are the food that turtles eat. So can you read this one?
Red turtle often is vegetable, fruits, and space turtle fruits. Sea turtle is seaweed, jellyfish, and small sea animals. Land turtle like tortoises,
Tortoises.
tortoises eat grass, leaves, and plants.
Very good. So these are the food that turtles eat. They eat vegetables, fruit, seaweed, jellyfish, and small sea animals. So for land turtles, they also eat grass, leaves like this one, and plants. So these are the foods that turtles eat. Okay, so have you seen a turtle before? Yes or no?
Mm, yes,
Yes. And what do the turtle look like? What
winter,
what do the turtle look like? Is the turtle big?
winter turtle.
Is the turtle big or small? How was your experience seeing the turtle? Did you touch the turtle's shell?
Turtle,
Did you already touch a turtle?
turtle is its self is
Turtle is the shell of the turtle is hard. So when we touch the turtle, especially the shell, this is the shell of the turtle. So when we touch it, it is or it has an hard texture. So that is the feeling that we feel when we touch a turtle. Okay, let's move on to this one. Let's read.
sea flees into ten.
Seals flip in this tank. So very good. So when we say flip, okay, so when we say flip, it means turning this one. It means turning over. So can you read this one? Flipping.
Flipping means turning over or moving
Very good.
quickly.
So these are the sea animals that we call as seals. So they flip. So when we say flip, so they turn over or move quickly. So that is the seals. So next. So do you know what animals is alike with seals? Do you know animals that is alike with seals?
You move over the shoes. Yes,
What animal is that?
into steers.
It is. Do you know what? Do you know sea lion?
Yes,
Sea lion. Yes. So when we say sea lion, so it is. So it looks like a seal. So the main difference between these two, the sea lion and the seal. So the sea lion has an. So the sea lion is generally in their body. The sea lion has front flippers. It has a big, like their arms. We call them as flippers. So the sea lion has big front flippers. But for the seal, so the seal, this is the flipper of the seal. So it is smaller. It is, yes, flipper. So it is the thing or their arms that they use to swim. So for the seal, so they have small flipper. For the sea lion, they have large flipper. Okay, so next, let's go to our next page. Let's read this one. Whales
will
dive.
will will dive into tank.
Very good. So whales dive into this tank. So when we say dive, it means to go down quickly into the water, like this whale or this sea animal. So this is a whale. So they dive in the sea or in the tank. Okay, so next. So let's answer this question. So are whales big or small?
Big
Big, very good. So whales are big. So they are one of the biggest sea animal in the world. Okay, so very good. So next, okay, let's look at this animal. What is the dog doing?
here.
It is flip.
Dog
Okay, let's read this one. This cute dog is, what is the dog doing? The dog is flipping.
leaping.
Flipping, very good. As you can see in the video, it is flipping. So when we say flipping, it means turning over or moving quickly. So next, let's go to our next page. What animal is this? What animal are this? These are
Dog
otters. So these animals are otters. Okay, so what are the otters doing?
uh
Otters are
ratting ratting onto what?
very good. So the otters are floating on the water. So next. Okay, what is the animal doing? The animal is
What
doing
as
a
is
glide.
glide,
Very good. So now let's read the sentence. These animals,
can glide very well.
good job. So these animals can glide very well. So when we say glide, so this is what these animals are doing. So they are like flying in the air. They are sliding in the air. Okay, so next. Okay, what animals are these, Dankwa? What animals are these? These are
Yeah, yeah, jellyfish,
jellyfish. And where are the jellyfish? What do we call this big container?
jellyfish,
What do we call the container? We call it
yeah,
as
jellyfish are swim into tank.
very good. So this is a tank. So the jellyfish are swimming in the tank. So
Oh,
very good. So next. Okay. So now can you choose two animals and we will compare those two animals. So let's choose fish and turtle. Let's let's have this one. Fish and turtle. Okay. So what do you think is the difference between a fish and a turtle? Dankwa.
fish,
What
different, like difference, total.
yes, what is their difference? What is the difference between the fish and turtle? Okay, now let's just read this one.
Lives only in water. The rest two weak gillies have fins. Paws are animal. Paws can swim. Paws have eyes and tails. Can live on land and water. Breathe to weak lungs. Have less. Animal have shells.
Okay, very good. So the difference between a fish and a turtle, so the fish, so they live only in the water. For the turtle, so they can live on land and water. So fish can breathe with gills and has fins. And for the turtle, so it can breathe with lungs. So both are animals, both can swim and both have eyes and tails. Okay, so next. Okay, so for this one, Langkwa, can you write letter T, big letter T and small letter T? Can you trace and write like this one? Trace big letter T and small letter T.
Two.
Okay, draw. Can you write big letter T and small letter T?
Mm,
Like this. Can you write or no?
no.
No? Okay, so for this one, and this will be the end of our lesson, Dankwa. So teacher suggests that for this one, you practice writing big letter T and small letter T. Okay, so that will be your homework. Okay, Dankwa, so that you can practice writing our letter T. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so for this one, Dankwa, this will be the end of our lesson. So thank you so much for your time today. And I hope you practice well with your English because somehow teacher can notice that most of the questions you cannot answer. But it is okay because it is part of your learning process. So let us practice English more, okay? And read more books so that it can widen your knowledge, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Dankwa. And see you again soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Goodbye, teacher. See
Goodbye.
you.
Thank you so much. See you.
See you again. Goodbye,
See you
teacher.
again. Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher.